you've installed BigCommerce for WordPress, let's create a new account. If you're still on the welcome screen, you can click Create New Account. If you've already navigated away, use the Get Started link at the top of the dashboard and then click Create New Account. In this first step, every field is required. So fill in your store name, email address, first name, last name, physical address, and phone number. Click the arrow when you're ready to continue. At this stage, your new account and store are being created. This should just take a moment. Next, we need to name the channel that we'll use for selling products on this site. In BigCommerce, a single store may have multiple channels. Each channel defines where products are sold and where orders come from. We'll use the site URL for this example. After this, choose if you'd like new products to automatically appear on this site, or if you would like to manually select the listed products. Once you've decided, continue to the next step. In the final step, you get to decide how you'll use BigCommerce for WordPress right now. You can always adjust your settings later, so it's only important to pick how you want to use BigCommerce today. If you want to blend your commerce and content into a single site, select Full Featured Store. This will automatically create additional pages for handling the store catalog and checkout experience. You'll have one additional optional step to configure your site navigation. Or select Simple Blogging if you want to casually embed products in your posts and pages and let visitors complete their purchases on your separate BigCommerce store. You've now successfully set up BigCommerce for WordPress, but be sure to click the account confirmation link in your email. Then you can start adding products and customizing your store's appearance. And check out our other videos to learn how you can make the most of BigCommerce for WordPress.